Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can configure your TypeScript compiler so that it gives you the right output and you're able to work on the file system. Alright, so you can see here that I have this TypeScript pg1.ts and uh, yeah, so pg1.ts and I want to use this thing in pg1.html. It's not compiled, but I need to compile that. So um, in order to set up the configuration, we need the tsconfig.json. So how do we do that? So here in your terminal, you need to type in tsc hyphen hyphen init and press enter. That will open up your tsconfig.json file. Okay, you can see that we got a new file, tsconfig.json. Within it, you can see that there are various options. Like most options are disabled, so it says that only the required ones are open, and you can change them. So one is it shows that the target output is of ES of 2016. You can change this one into whatever you want, but I will let it remain because 2016 is supported by many browsers. The ones that I need to change is the root directory. Where is that one? The root dir. Out. Wait. Here. Okay, so this one I need to uncomment and set this one to src so that I have my files here. What happened to this one? Okay, I need this one any which ways. Okay, so I will add another folder named src, and I will copy this cut and paste this src into the ts file into the src, and yeah, so root directory will be src, and there is another one out directory here which I need to put it in dist or distributed folder so that my compiled files will go into the out directory, and then no emit an error. I need this true so that it gives me it does not do any emits if there is an error. I think that's much for now, and let's see. Okay, so what happens is this pg1.ts, where am I on the root folder? Okay, so I want this pg1.ts should give the output to the dist. Now I would do a tsc, and this one would generate a folder named dist and place my JS file inside that one. Perfect. Okay. So here you can see that it has generated and sent. Okay. So now remember that if you want to suppose you are inside src and you have another ts file, let's say pg2.ts inside src. Wait, here. So I'm in pg2. I'm inside the folder src, and I have generated pg2.cs. In that case, I just want to generate the JavaScript file for pg, or I want the compilation for pg2.cs. In that case, I will have to come back to the previous folder, and then I will do a tsc hyphen hyphen wait, not hyphen, this one, then src forward slash pg2.ts out. Okay, you can see now. So in order to create this JavaScript file inside the dist folder, you have to write like this. Okay, the process is like this, and you are inside the data types folder, like the root folder. So you type in tsc, the source file within the folder. So src is the folder, and pg2.cs is the source file, and then out dir into dist. So this one will create the JS file inside the wait. Sorry, not this one. It's pg2. Okay, let's see again. Okay, I'll do the same command again, and you can see that to create the file inside the dist folder. So this, so it generated the file inside the dist folder. But if you are inside src, it will not work. So what it will do is, if you are inside src and you are just doing the tsc and pg2.cs, and then you made it like the out there. Wait, into dist. So this one will create a dist folder inside src. Okay, so not, that's what we don't want, that, right? That's wrong. And if you want to do this like dot slash, that's also going to create a folder inside the um, src folder. Okay, so that will not give you the correct output, you can see, but I'll show you. See, what it did was it created a dist folder inside src and it put the js file there. We don't want this. Okay, so in that case, you have to move out to the root folder and then type in the command, this one, tsc src pg2.cs into outdir dist. Okay, so this is the command that you need to type in. Okay, and that's in the root folder. All right, so that was all about the setups, and let's do a little bit of running of the program that we created. So pg2.cs and pg2.html, we don't work on this one right now. pg1.html, you can see how we are calling a TypeScript file. So what we are doing is, we don't use the ts file here. We would call the JS file that has been generated. Okay, and you can see how I have mentioned the path. Okay, src equals to dist forward slash the page one dot js. Now let's try to run this one and see. So run, start debugging, and you can see that the element has come up. Okay, let's see the console, and you can see that there is no errors. Let's press on the button, and you can see that it says hitted alt. And where is this hitted alt? You can see this thing is inside the TypeScript function alert hitted. And what we did was it generated the JS file. If you want to see the pg1.js, these things are generated. Okay, this one is generated. I created the TS file and the JS file was auto generated. Okay, and you can see that the website is working. So guys, this was all about the setup, like the configuration setting, the TS config settings that you need to do as a basic thing. And yeah, we must know these things. And next we will move ahead to data types that we have in TS and have some learning in it. Until then, stay tuned, stay connected, and happy coding. Thank you.